Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can easily download your bank statement from Bank of America. So we have here two options. Option number one is via website. So this is their online banking. So first, you just have to log in to bankofamerica.com. So just visit this one right here or search this on your browser. And then use your online ID and passcode rather, and just put it here and then tap on login. Then once you're in, just navigate to the accounts, tap on the statements and documents. Then you will see your recent checking, savings, credit card, and loan statements. So you just have to choose the account type and year, then click the specific statement that you want. Then just hit the download PDF or view PDF and then download. So statements are available for up to 7 years and check images are included for the past 18 months. Now for the option number two, which is via mobile application, just open your Bank of America mobile application and then log in. Then tap the three horizontal lines and select statement and documents or similar wording. So it depends on the version that you have. Actually, it's three dots in here, but for others, you will see it as three horizontal lines. So it depends on the version that you have, but it's either of the two here. And then just browse your most recent statements or tap the view all to choose a specific period. Then you just have to tap on statement that you need, then tap the download icon to save the PDF to your device. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!